Dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, and better say friends, thank you for coming to Belgrade and participating in our conference. We are happy that you are here, most of you are here for the 5th time.
It's my great pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of the Ministry of Education, Science and Technological Development. It is my great pleasure to welcome my colleagues from the government.
Keeping up with technologies to adapt cities for future challenge is the topic important for the development and the sustainability of the cities.
On that line of 31 faculty of architecture on the first place, not just because of the name, but they have good teaching process, good student and satisfied students. So we are very happy to be here.
Nowadays, industry and economic growth is connected with towns and town areas.
Since the 90s, European cities have experienced an accelerating pace of growth in cultural and leisure economic activities.
I have to say I was amazed to see the detailed work and the systematic work that the faculty here and other members of other universities in Serbia and the other countries are doing around places and technologies, about the cities and the evaluation of buildings and of public spaces. And I think that this is a very good basis for developing future concepts on the cities of tomorrow, and in particular to see how we can evaluate these results for a new dialogue, a new kind of communication between the discipline, between urban planners, between architects and engineers, and finally the user.
So I just joined the Places and Technology here in the University of Belgrade, and this is about the vision, how we want to live in the future in the city. So it's not a question about how we will live, but about how do we want to live. And the first step, of course, is to understand the problems and challenges. And we discussed technologies, but technology is not as a solution, but technology as an enabler to design our future cities. So by the end of the day, it's about the people and places, and it's about the process. How do we come together? And this conference helps us here to join the different disciplines with engineers, architects and urban planners to talk about the futures and come up with new tools and processes how to enable our vision where we want to live.
Then I look up the website of this conference, and I realized that actually this conference also look into topics like economics and institutions, which are my expertise. So here I am talking about technology. I'm sure that all of you have your own list of technology that you think have profound impact to change how places are organized.
Today we have, let's say, the technologies. Everything goes quicker and should be more accessible to everyone with, well, Wi-Fi everywhere. Also in this city, at every restaurant I immediately get a Wi-Fi code, so I'm connected everywhere. I can check everything everywhere. Is that the cure, or is that not the cure, or is that not enough?
I'm really happy that I've been invited to Hot Belgrade. Here I've seen the quality of your research and academic staff, and how important it is for you to collaborate with other countries. I have also noticed a very important thing, that was the strong engagement of staff and students with the conference, and the high quality of the papers that have been presented by the staff and also by the students.
When you look at the cities in the past and today and future, my answer the question is how do we actually plan for it? How we used to plan for it, how we plan for it today, and how we will plan for it tomorrow.
Ove su konferencije važnije možda zbog nekih veza koji se uspostave, kako se kaže, u kuloarima ili na marginama, nego možda zbog samog centralnog sadržaja konferencije.
The cities are even more popular than they were in the past, and one of the reasons for that is about real encounters. It's actually touching reality because people live in virtual worlds for so much of their lives. They actually do need to meet proper people, and talking to somebody through a screen is not the same thing.
Well, dear colleagues, the moment of closing the conference has come. We announce the place and the university of the future conference. Well, this time our colleagues from the University of Peć, Dean Professor Dr. Gabriela Medveđi and Professor Dr. Balint Bohman expressed that their readiness to host the 6th Places and Technologies Conference.
We hope that you will see each other in Peć next year.